Okay. So the Japanese word for punishment is batsu. I lived in Japan for a couple of years, and so I decided, I was thinking about what to do for my demo, and somehow I got sucked into a Wikipedia article about corporal punishment around the world. And I thought, people should treat their kids a little bit more just based on the last time I walked through the mall. But so I was thinking, okay, I'm going to make a little survey app that just basically asks what punishments you think are appropriate. So here's the app. It's already configured. You can see, you can put in your name, and you can say spanking is never appropriate, or torturing is appropriate. I've got some admin views in there too that I can add more punishments. But I was thinking about it, and I thought, what if I was at the mall and I wanted to ask people with my iPhone what was appropriate or not? Well, this doesn't look really cool on an iPhone. So I wanted something that looks better. So if you're on your iPhone and you want to look at the live app, it's at daibatsu.heroku.com, because dai, when you put it in front of a Japanese word, it means big. So daibatsu.heroku.com. So I think I have the internet here, but if you look at it, DAI, yeah, sorry. Like Daihatsu, but with a B. So on here, it's loaded with even more looking silent treatment.
This is gonna be fun.
Who thinks the silent treatment is horrible? All right, I use it on my kids. It makes them miserable sometimes. I try to save it for special occasions.
Punching is pretty effective.
So, but you want to build this iPhone application. You want to make an iPhone version and everything. So, well, how do you even look at it? Right? Do you sit there and do your development with your iPhone right next to you going to localhost? Well, you can. Or there are various ways that you can do this, and I'm going to show you one. And what you do is in Safari, the develop has a user agent that you can pick, and then you can just go and say, I'm going to use the iPhone. And then you can see what it kind of looks like on an iPhone, although the scaling isn't quite right. Obviously an iPhone doesn't get that wide. There are also iPhone simulators that you can use. I'm not going into that. So we say take the survey, it slides over like that, you can put in your name, you can pick your torture. This is all on localhost, but if we go to Daibatsu.
We can't add new?
You can, but you have to know the route. I won't tell you, but it probably rhymes with punishments.
That's what I'm going to call it. I can't wait to be a father.
Keep it clean, I'm trying to tweet this.
So yeah, so then you can see what it kind of looks like on an iPhone. This is not exactly right. You actually get the little rolling thing if you do this on your iPhone. But one of the things I thought of was when you show the results, all right, let me show you what the results are after I take this survey with this guy, right? I'm just going to save changes, and it makes a table. Well, that's not going to look good on an iPhone. So I decided I would do it differently, completely differently on the iPhone, and make little pie charts. And basically black means everybody thinks it's horrible, and the lighter it gets, the more acceptable it is, right? So it's not like the greatest metaphor, but, you know, apparently spanking is not as bad as punching. Which makes sense because there's less visible bruising.
Some people believe torturing is acceptable.
Well, when it's just me messing around with it all morning, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And so it's a pretty simple app, but you saw some iPhone-y stuff in there, right?
Yeah.
It slides over, it has the toolbar, the buttons look okay, you know, it looks reasonable. Stoning by pebbles and drops.